been a 6-pounder a little while back when it was full. But today we've got a grasshopper. Oh!
Hey, welcome to Bass and Bonsai.
Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. Today we are out here at Knob Noster, and you can tell the water is completely down, but thank God the wind is gone. Last time we were here, it was the moss is still here, but it was like 20-mile-an-hour winds. And today we also have Emily here with us fishing. She likes topwater fishing. She's in luck. That's what we're going to do first thing. We're going to get out here with some frogs and try to hit this moss and see what we can do. So buckle up, hang on, here we go. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to try to catch a largemouth bass with a frog by walking the dog. I know it sounds crazy. But it's possible. There we go. What? First fish.
Clean hook.
Yeah. Now this isn't the normal standard size frogfish, but give it a kiss. It's a start. All right, I'm gonna call my shot. I'm throwing right in between those sticks right over there, and guess what? I'm gonna catch a bass. So buckle up and hang on and let me walk the dog, and we'll have a largemouth bass. Oh! Did you hear it? Yeah. I missed it. I missed it, or he missed the frog, one of the two. I'm not sure what happened. He was there. I'm rusty. It's only been my third topwater fish this year. You may come right back. Shake the cobwebs off. I think I yanked too quick. There we go. All right. I don't think that's the big one that hit at it just a second ago, but they're over there. Second bass of the day, 2-0.
I thought I was bad luck.
Well, you're just to yourself now. There we go. Another 1/4 pounder with cheese. Give him a kiss. We're loving it. Like McDonald's around here. It's probably one of those vegan bass. I've heard about them. I haven't seen one yet. I only eat moss. Well, oh, I don't care what you eat. Get in here. Now that was cool. You little vegan dog, get in here. That's a better one.
Yeah.
Get in the boat. Whoa. Now that one's 1.5 pounds or so. Nice bass. What do you think? This is what you're going for.
I know.
Give it a kiss. Actually will kiss this one. All right, I'm gonna turn this one loose. He gone. Yeah, see what I do with the frog is I cut. It helps it walk the dog. You cut one leg shorter than the other, and then I put little rattles inside it. Now there was a bass, if you guys may remember, right over here that I heard. I looked over and there was a wake coming from this area right over here. Walk the dog. And I got him. Oh yeah, coming right at me. He's gonna jump. No? That's a good one. Well, it's better than nothing. Look at that little fat thing. Is that something coming out its old? I don't know if that's spawn, gonna spawn, or what that means. Very nice. Mwah. Somebody's getting skunked.
Your tackle.
And, whoa, blaming my tackle on the thing. I'm trying to take it right by that stump. Get up line. There he is. Oh, shit. Get off. There we go. Right by the stump. Of course, I'm cussing and everything else. Hold your ears, kids. This drag is way too loose. That's a little bitty one for how big this bait is, but I found that out. Like the big old bait will still pull in the little ones. There we go. Whoa. Mwah. Yay. Whoa. I have become Emily's personal camera person to see if she can catch a bass.
He's tired.
I'm getting old. Uh-oh. She's got one. Whoa.
Oh,
that's definitely a jumper. Got the most expensive bait you can get from Walmart. It's $1.
Look at him bend. Woo!
Yeah. High quality bait.
Dude, I tell you what. Worth $1.
Oh yeah. There we go. Nice bass. Give it a kiss.
Go get your daddy. Look at that.
And she's on the board. I'll probably get smoked by her now. She'll start catching them right and left. Whoa!
Go, little fishy.
Now she's on fire. I may have to get a spinner bait.
Nope, I took them out of your tackle box.
She threw them all in the, they're all up on the bank.
Alrighty.
I'm sitting here digging out some worms and.
It's a better one.
Yep. Nice bass.
Keep going.
All right, boys and girls, we are out of the shallow area. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
And once again, Emily and her cheap spinnerbait is starting to tear me up. That's 3 to my none since she started catching them. Get it in.
No fighter.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. If you hear some crazy growling like Sasquatch noise, that's my stomach.
Another one.
Very nice bass.
Still yet to do what it's supposed to do. Like the catfishing where you could throw out like 3 lines at a time.
Oh yeah, like I started out going to these little blue in different places, and I'd have 3 poles, like one out this way, one out that way, one out in the middle, and just sitting there watching them. And like 10 or 15 minutes, I'd reel them in, check the bait, and cast them in a little different spot. And then about an hour or so, no fish. I'd pack up and either go to a whole nother place or further down. But then it just got boring to me, catfishing. Oh, there we go. Just, I don't know. Once I went bass fishing like we're doing now with artificial baits and a boat, I'm like, I don't want to go sit on a bank anywhere. Put me out in a boat and. There we go. Nice little bass. Let me get that out of my hands before I hook myself. That is the bait. I just had to tune it. It wasn't Norm's fault or anything, but Norm Coulter painted this up for me, and it definitely didn't track straight. It was one of those I bought new and sent to him, but it does now. I tweaked the eyelet a little bit. So let's see if we can catch another one. And we caught another. Oh, that's a baby. That didn't even make a 1/4 pounder of cheese. That's one of those Emily fish. No, actually hers have all been way bigger than this. I think hers, you haven't even caught a real little one, have you? All 3 of hers were pretty good ones. Got him.
Yeah, there you go.
That time. Get up. Keep him above the grass. That's a better bass. Whoa. Hold on. There we go. Getting bigger. Definitely wanted that frog. Ate it. That's a better one.
It's a lot better. It's got a hole in it.
Hole in it.
Look at that.
Oh.
Good bit. Good
Yep.
bit frog.
Turtle, something. I don't know what got hold of that bass.
That other fish.
We've kind of drifted right in this spot. Caught this nice little guy.
Here, watch this. It's
Oh! He just wanted to say bye.
so off right.
Put it in there. Slow and.
Looking for you.
Huh?
Hold on.
She's like, don't cast.
I think she's trying to get that other fish. Bent up. Oh, this little pretty thing. This is what I like to call Charlie Special now because it comes out of the fancy section.
Oh.
His name is Charlie. That's all I know.
Hmm. Got it. Oh! Nice.
I'm like, yeah, see?
That's a big one.
Yeah, he's wanting to run off.
Whoa, easy.
Oh,
That
man.
is a nice bass.
Mm-hmm. Give up.
Got the pole bending,
Give it up. There you go.
coming in. He's sideways.
I think I snagged him. Maybe. I don't
No,
know.
he turned. He's just got the line wrapped around him.
You want to grab it?
Yeah, if you can get him.
Woo!
Hang-
Yep.
Get his mouth.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Snagged. Woo! That there's.
I think you had him in the mouth, and then it came unhooked, and he.
See?
That is a nice bass. I officially just got beat by a girl, but oh well.
Outfished. Don't shake fish.
Uh-oh, hang on. Lucky pliers. That's why we carry them. All right.
I have to get you to get a picture of me.
Got moss and everything. We're going to get some pics here.
When I tell you don't cast, there's a reason. It's that magical moment. Oh my God. I
She's
don't know what I did with my phone.
Lucky I didn't cast there.
That sucker.
That is
Wouldn't
a
have worked.
very nice bass. I'd call it 5,
5.
probably. All right, hang on. Where's your phone? You're like too close. You think it's better the other way?
Probably when I'm sitting. I guess it don't matter.
All right, go ahead.
Hey, welcome to Bass and Bonsai.
I see these jerkbaits. When you're in real clear waters, when they really work. Recast those babies out, crank them a couple times, and then jerk, jerk twice, jerk, jerk twice.
I've seen the videos
And
when I first looked them up.
they work.
Yeah,
They work.
that's perfect timing.
Yep. Oh yeah. That's why I throw them, because they just work. Like my first, I don't know how many years of bass fishing, I don't think I ever used a jerkbait. That's a good one. That's my biggest of the day, maybe. Whoa! Get up here. Hold
Better.
still. Hold the phone. Whoa! Well, I figure it's time to get serious. Emily caught that monster, put me way behind now. So no matter how many I catch today, if I don't catch a 5-pounder, I'm going to feel like bad.
Well,
I didn't get skunked, but
size-wise,
yeah, I did I'm getting torn up pretty good right now. Whoa, I got her wet. When I was a kid, a few different occasions I've had water thrown in my face by my dad just to get me to come to life, I guess. Now I can't. Oh, little one. That is horrible.
Some little ones out here, they're fighters though.
That is too little though. What were you thinking? Were you trying to fight that thing? Yeah, I know you weren't trying to eat it. But as I was saying now, I can't sleep. I wake up at the littlest anything happens. All right. Whoa. Okay, good. Is that a crappie? Oh! I think that was a crappie.
Probably.
Got one. I was talking about Snapchat. You guys comment below if you think I need to get a Snapchat. But in the meantime, let's get this bass in. If we could put a picture of him if I had a Snapchat. Not too big, but a lot of fun. I had a fish. I don't know if I still do or not.
Yep.
Got a bass. I don't even know. Yeah, I'm recording now. Hey, a crappie.
Yeah, probably that big old one that's been playing.
Look at that.
I like crappie.
They're very good to eat. It's a pretty good sized spinnerbait. Well, got a nice little crappie there, black crappie. All right, we're back on the water after a quick bathroom break. And let's start the truck up because the battery's about dead because some idiot left the lights on. Okay, it was me. But back on the road again, or the water. Fishing with soft plastics that I hear Emily wants no part of.
Nope.
Doesn't like fishing that slow to where a worm, a creature bait, anything like that. So I'm hoping that I'll change your mind here in this last part of the morning we're fishing. Got one. Finally, it's been a while since we've actually caught a bass.
Oh.
It's feisty.
Yeah.
Looks like he was fairly deep, pretty white looking. Still catching them on a jerkbait, even though it is water's pretty dark. Mwah. Emily's back here. She's went through every bait she owns, half or 3/4 of I think what I own.
No.
She hasn't found what she likes yet. All right, everybody, we are done. It is not quite noon yet, but it's getting warm and the fishing slowed down, so we're gonna call it quits. And I would like to thank Emily for fishing with me, who's outfished me.
Of course.
But I outnumbered her. So I always have that going for me.
I guess.
As you can see, the moss was like, it kind of was a nightmare. It's hard to find something that you could work through there and still get hit, you know, without getting gunked up first. But we figured it out. We caught quite a few. And we'll probably hit it again. You're not done fishing with me, right?
No.
Okay. So she'll be out on another adventure at some point in time. I'll probably hit here. I'll give it a couple weeks. I'm hoping this stuff either clumps together, sinks, or something happens, and then it'll be better fishing. Yeah, anything will be better than this right at the moment. It wasn't as windy, so that was pretty good. But anyway, guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, help share this channel, tell your friends, tell your neighbors. Make sure Emily tells her friends and neighbors. Tell Donald Trump. Do you know Donald Trump?
Who?
That's funny. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Woo!
That is a very nice bass. Let's call it time. That's the biggest one I've caught this year.